In a situation in which you are in possession of important information that might be of assistance to someone else in the course of a legal proceeding, while at the same time you are at risk of becoming homeless and in urgent need of financial support, there are a few things you can do to make the most of this information and improve your own circumstances. Even while the question might not demand, I will provide you a comprehensive advice to assist you manage the situation in the most effective way possible. Document the information. The first thing you should do is compile and record all of the pertinent information that you already possess and that might be helpful for a person's legal case. This may include any evidence associated with the case, such as documents, messages, photographs, or other types of evidence. Make sure that you have a complete comprehension of the material and the possible importance it may hold in the case that you are involved in. Seek the counsel of an attorney. Before you take any other actions, it is essential to discuss the specifics of your situation with an attorney so that you can fully comprehend the legal ramifications. They will be able to offer advice on how to proceed and assist you in determining the best way to handle the situation. Conduct research on lawyers who specialize in the appropriate fields. Look for lawyers who have experience in the particular area of the law that is involved in the case that your information is relevant to. Find someone who can effectively represent the person involved in the case by looking into their past work history, their reputation, and their level of experience. To locate competent solicitors who could be interested in the information you have to offer, you should get in touch with your local bar organization or use online directories. Make contact with possible solicitors. After you have created a list of potential solicitors, it is time to get in touch with them and briefly describe your predicament. Make it clear that you are in possession of useful information that may be of assistance to their client's legal case. In light of the fact that you may be without a house, you should emphasize the significance of the information you have provided and explain why you require financial aid. Be ready to present some concise information regarding the case and your expertise of it. Make the knowledge available in exchange for some type of financial support. Provide the solicitors you've connected with an overview of your proposition. Under the condition that they provide you with financial support to help prevent you from becoming homeless, you might offer them access to the information you hold, together with a brief summary of the relevance of that information. Be truthful and open about the circumstances you find yourself in, but at the same time, communicate in a manner that is professional and courteous. Negotiate the conditions. If a lawyer shows interest in your proposition, you should start talking to them about negotiating the terms of your collaboration as soon as possible. Think about things like how urgent your situation is, how valuable your knowledge could be to the case, and how much attorneys normally charge for their services in cases that are comparable to yours when deciding how much to spend on legal representation. It is essential to reach an agreement that is equitable and beneficial to both parties. Ensure that the agreement can be enforced legally once you have reached an agreement with the other party. It is critical to have a contract that can be enforced legally drafted in order to safeguard your interests. Employ the services of an attorney or other qualified legal professional to draft the agreement on your behalf, taking care to ensure that it elucidates all of the terms and timetables involved, as well as the financial arrangement that will exist between you and the attorney. Cooperate with the attorney. Once the agreement has been reached, it is imperative that you provide your attorney with full cooperation throughout the entire legal process. Give them access to all of the information and evidence that you have, and make yourself available for any meetings, depositions, or court appearances that may be required. Take care of your responsibilities. Make it a point to honor all of the promises that are mentioned in the agreement by ensuring that you provide the agreed-upon information, that you cooperate with the attorney, and that you adhere to any timetables that have been specified. Always maintain a high level of professionalism and honesty throughout the process to establish a productive and easy working relationship. Ensure your financial stability. As the legal proceedings move forward and once you have received the financial help that was agreed upon, you should take the appropriate actions to re-establish your financial stability and protect yourself from becoming homeless. You should look into getting proper financial counseling or guidance in order to efficiently manage your resources and plan for a secure future. Keep in mind that even if the circumstances you find yourself in may be difficult, it is imperative that you address them with patience, professionalism, and a robust sense of ethics.